Hello, Arhan. Can you say welcome to? Welcome to? Yeah. And what are you doing? What are you doing? Aru, what are you doing? You enjoying the nature? What are you doing? What's that on your hand? What's that? Can you tell mommy what's that? I see numbers there. So what do you do with this? What do you do with this? That's for your prayers? That's your prayers? Mwah. Thank you. You did prayer for everybody. Yes. That's a great job. What are you doing here? Are you playing? What are you making? No. No? Ah, what is your name? What is your name? My name is? Ah, my name is? My name is? My name is? Yes. Can you say one more time? My name is? Great job. And what is your sister's name? My sister name is? My sister name is? My sister name is? My sister name is? La? La? Arhan, La? Great job. What happened? And? Oh my god, you taking all the muds out? Oh no. Oh no. You see the sun? Where is the sun, Arhan? Where is the sun? Where is the sun? Where is the sun? Yeah, where is the sun? Where is the sun? Tell me. Where you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Look at all the airplane. Wow. Huh? Monty? What is Monty? What is Monty? What is Monty? It's a beautiful park, right, Arhan? This is your favorite park? Is this your favorite park? Yes or no? Do you like this park? Arhu, do you like this park? Do you like this park? Do you? Yes or no? Ah, today is Friday.
No school.
No, tomorrow is Saturday, no school. Today is Friday.
No.
Yeah, today is a happy Friday.
Holiday.
Yeah, tomorrow is holiday. Okay. Monday is a holiday. You know that? Monday is a...
Close.
Yeah, Monday is school closed because it's a holiday. Okay? Great job. You remember. Great job, Baba. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you, Arhan. Where are you going now? You want to go down? Do you want to go down? You can go down. But go from the front. And then go down. Yay! Are you enjoying? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Yes? Yes. I forgot to bring a jump rope. Can you jump 10 times, Arhan? 1, 2, jump. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. You did a great job. Can you touch the ground? Get up. Can you hop like a frog? Hop. Rabbit. Okay, you're doing a rabbit, but hop like a froggy. Can you hop like a rabbit? What does a rabbit do? What does a rabbit do? Does a rabbit hop or they run? Where do you want to take her? You should have said, I need help, Arhan. Oh my God. You go to the other side. You got stuck. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? If you want to go down, you go through the other side. You want to go?
I'm scared.
Yeah, go to the other side. Appy is gonna take you to the other side. Go, get down. Go, follow Appy. Say, I'm coming. Wait for me. I think he wants to go to the water fountain. He loves water fountain. Now he's pulling her back. So don't know what he wants. You don't want to go? Do you want to have pizza? No? Okay.
We are not going down from that side.
Yes, that's too hilly, Baba. You're gonna get hurt. Be careful. Yeah, be careful. Where do you want to go? Are you gonna slide? Wow, you're smart. You are smart. You're sliding down. I think he's gonna jump.
If he jumps, he's gonna hurt.
Yeah. What do you want to do? Be careful, Baba. I'm so scared. I'm so scared that you're gonna fall. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. He did climb down. Look at that, Odi. He did climb down. Great job. You did it. Now where are you gonna go? I think you just want to go to the water fountain. Yep. Sure he did. He just liked the water fountain. Okay, now I gotta go catch him. So I'm gonna also go now. Hope you liked the video. I just wanted to record him and keep it as a memory. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to our Speak World and stay connected. See you. Bye bye.